dirty. So 1, 2.
Bro, are you okay?
What is wrong with this?
Are you?
I'm trying to take a video.
This is literally take 367. Okay, what's up guys? Welcome back to Rap Lab. We have a really cool project. This is 2012 R8, is it 2012?
2012 Audi R8 V10 gated manual.
And what's it getting done?
It's gonna have a custom, so customer's a DJ, DJ Dirty Dirty. He's gonna have his own custom design. We spent the past 2.5 weeks perfecting it. Essentially what's gonna happen is the car is gonna go from light purple to dark purple, and there's gonna be a bunch of sticker bombs of the label of his Dirty Dirty logo, and then there's gonna be a big piece on the side, big piece on the side, big piece on top. So it's black now, it's gonna be a two-tone light purple to dark purple from front to back once it's finished.
I had the pleasure of driving it here. I can show you the coolest part about this car is it is a 6-speed manual. So what's first? We're gonna wash it?
We're gonna wash this thing and then we're gonna let it dry. Tomorrow we're gonna disassemble. So mirror comes off, V10 badging comes off. If we can pull that off, we'll pull that off. Otherwise that's it for the side. Very minimal disassembly. The whole side gets laid on as one piece. So all these seams are just gonna be cut in the seam area or with knifeless tape. Because of the custom vinyl, it's all gonna be laid from front to back. And then the front bumpers and the back bumper will come off. Everything else stays on the car. So very minimal disassembly for this one.
Okay, so Audi R8 is all washed up, drying it up. I'm gonna let it sit overnight so it can dry, and then tomorrow we're gonna disassemble. As you guys can see, R8 is all cleaned up. I'm gonna go ahead and debadge it. Obviously, we can't wrap over this, so I've got it all masked off. I'm gonna give it some heat, and then fishing line, and whatever adhesive is left, we'll clean off. And then depending on what the customer wants, if they want them off, we usually just leave them off, but if they want them on, we put them back on. We might even order some black ones. I feel like that would look good with the wheels. So yeah, stay tuned. Okay, so here's the R8. It's all debadged. Danny's working on some test pieces here just to see how we're gonna lay it. That's not the color we're doing though. I can show you in the back here. Everything is debadged. I'm gonna take the bumpers off, take the mirrors off. While Danny tries to get that mirror off, I'm gonna clean the interior, which as you can see is filthy. I'm gonna vacuum it. So usually that consists of vacuuming. We do the floor mats, which I already cleaned and extracted it over there. We're gonna hit the leather with a cleaner and a conditioner, and then we'll steam all of this out. I don't know how well that shows up. Let's see. Yeah, as you can see, that's dirty, so is the shifter. So it will look brand new when we're done. These should come out too, these stains here. So I'm cleaning the interior, and I don't know how well it shows up. You can see the coffee stains. So I'm actually gonna scrub and extract that too. The rest of the interior, let me see if I can get my... I don't know how well you can see it, but it's looking brand new. Did that carpet already, but that's definitely got to be taken care of. Here, I can show you, it's literally like a night and day difference. That interior is spotless. All right, so Danny's gonna keep working on those mirrors, and me and Ennis are gonna take off that front bumper. You guys can see front bumper is off. And I'll show you what Danny and Ennis are doing. I'm gonna finish vacuuming up the inside and steaming it. Maya's not helping for whatever reason. As you can see, they're taking off all the vents so they can tuck everything properly. So it looks like to remove the rear bumper, we're gonna have to jack the car up and take these wheels off so we can get to the bolts that are behind the bumper there. just cleaned the engine bay too if you want to come look at it. Put it on the ramps, mirrors are off, front bumper's off. I think that's all we're gonna do for disassembly. So as Danny said, this is a custom wrap. So the owner's a DJ and he has his print on the wrap. So instead of doing it panel by panel like we did in the other videos, we have to lay this all in one piece because it has lettering on it and we can't, you know, I mean, our margin of error is really small here. So I know this is gonna be an interesting cut for Danny, but we'll show you that next. Now he just has to cut it out. Then we do the other side. Dirty, dirty.
Narco, got dope like Pablo. Cut dope like Pablo. Cut dope, shot trees with the Draco. On the north, got Diego. Say hasta luego. We'll be in rapping kilo. Snub nose with potato. Take out. No monkey in the jungle, fly high like a sauna. Bouncing nothing, I'm trying to weep an anaconda. Jumping in the water, trying to sleep across the water. Got see cars out, got me big bad for Ronald. Out, bag of money, know I gotta have it. Savage, but I'm still a gentleman in Cali. Atlantic, nigga turn them in about the cabbage.
You can see the hood is really big, so it has to be multiple pieces. Danny's post heating. Okay, so this side is done, so we're going to do the other side next. I'm gonna show you guys front, sides. Everything is tucked very nicely, thanks to Danny. You can see here too. The only thing that you can see is the carbon. Alright, so as you guys can see, the Dirty R8 is kind of almost done. Danny over here with NS. They're doing the roof. Still have the hood to do. Front bumper's almost done. It's going to take Danny another 4 minutes. Trunk has to be done, and so does the rear bumper. Okay, so we got Danny over here. He finished the front bumper. He's gonna put the grills in. You come over here. These are just scraps. We're not wrapping the engine. But this side's done. The roof is done. Hood is done. You can see we had to seam it here, but you can't really tell. This side's done, so you can see here Danny still has to cut out the gas tank. All that's really left is this black piece. These are all just scraps. I know it looks bad, but
Part of the process.
yeah. Car's looking good. It's probably the fastest wrap job we've ever done. All thanks to me, the owner, CEO, and founder of Wrap Lab LLC. The car's on ramps. We're gonna do the rear bumper now. Front bumper is done and reassembled. Got the front bumper on. I think everything's done but the trunk, right?
Yeah, the little anyway in the back bumper needs to be done.
You can see. Show you the rear. So this here is gonna get wrapped, but that bottom part under it's gonna stay black. Looks pretty cool. Diffuser's black. Nesse, you okay? Guys, the Dirty R8 is finally done. All thanks to Danny, who stayed here till 2 a.m. last night. You see we left the mirror caps, which are actually a cherryish color. I don't know how well that picks up on camera, but that looks good. You see the back here. These are cherries too. But everything is cut nicely. Left this black, which I think looks really good. So now all we have to do is wash it. We're gonna pull it out, take some pictures, and deliver it to the customer. So. Dirty R8 is done. They're gonna deliver it. You guys are gonna see a reveal. They're gonna reveal it to Roy, the customer, who's awesome. He's a DJ. This is his car. It's a great car. It's a great rap. Yeah.
Like the narco, got dope like Pablo, cut dope like Pablo, chop trees with the Draco, on the north got Diego, say hasta luego, we'll be in rapping kilo, snub nose with potato, take out, no monkey in the jungle, blind hot like a sauna,
You ready to see it? Yeah. You excited? Yeah. You get ready?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Oh shit. Oh nice. Oh my god, this looks so cool. Yeah, baby. I gotta take it for a ride immediately.
Yeah.
Like immediately.
Well,
And actually,
before I forget to give you those back.
The mirrors look perfect.
Okay.
Yeah.
Perfect. That's what I thought too. And then it goes really well with the
Right.
calipers and then
Right,
that accent right there.
exactly.
It brings it all together. And the back turned out really nice with the black too.
Yeah. It actually is nice because it gets black at the bottom there too.
Yep.
So it matches that up as well. Nice. Oh my god, this is so comfortable. You guys did a great job, man.
Well, I got my sunglasses on.
Okay. Alright.
Okay, cut.
It's actually you. It's actually you dumb
Action.
friend here. Take
Bro, go back to your timeout room. Go.
Okay, so. What, bro?
I pointed, bro. I pointed.
I didn't know.
Danny, my pinky. Danny, my.
Shut the fuck up.
Show them.